Hi, today in front of me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application, then scroll down to the wallpaper and style section. Here click to change wallpaper and you'll see here my photos section. Tap to allow and you'll see here all of the available photos from your device previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we got here our default device photos. For example, let's use one from these available wallpapers. Just click here to lock screen to see how this wallpaper will look on your home screen, the preview. Then tap on the right down corner to OK, tap to lock screen, wait a second. And now we can see the message that the wallpaper is set successfully, so let's lock the device. Okay, so we should add the protect methods on our device to see this wallpaper. So click to security, screen lock known. Let's add the pattern. Just twice draw the pattern here, click to confirm, done. And now let's just lock the device. So we can see here our new lock screen wallpaper. Just to change it, we get also one more way. Just to do that, we should hold for a while the empty space with our finger, then tap to wallpaper and style. By the same way, click to change wallpaper and select class. For example, use one from our downloaded wallpapers. Okay, here we can see the preview. Tap to the right down corner, tap to lock screen. So let's just check it. As you can see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.